Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, April 23rd, 2024. So we saw the Bulls put in another good day today, and it was expected. I didn't expect today to be like it was, but when we were coming down here, we had buy signals on the 15-minute charts. We had buy signals on the hourly charts. So what I was basically saying was to anticipate that we're going to get one of those face ripping short covering squeezes, and we've gone from the 49.54 all the way up to 50.75 in 2 days. And right now it's a make or break, because this was the buy zone that I said, this was the sell zone. Now, if we look at the sell zone and why that made sense, you can see this was the 50-day moving average. So I was almost expecting towards the end of the day today, not really the end of the day, but when we were just kind of hanging out up here, I thought they were going to try to take it through it. And if they did, then we're going to head into the next sell zone, which is going to be right at the 51.12. So we don't have any sell signals yet on the hourly chart, but we're very overbought right here. And if we look at the 15-minute chart, we do have sell signals. So that's kind of suggesting that we're going to get some backing and filling. Doesn't mean it has to, because this market likes to pick a direction and then just stay in that direction. So if they head higher, don't really fight it. But the thing is that if we do come back and get a pullback, I would kind of anticipate hang on one second, I'm just trying to move this up for you. So this right here is kind of where there's going to be some buyers. That's the 50.35, about 35 points lower than where we are. If the Bulls can't hold this here, then we're going to be coming back down to the 50.02 level. Now, if it holds and goes up, what I would expect is to see the hourly chart start to make some sell signals. And then from there, I do not believe these are the lows. I've been saying that I think that the next move is going to come down to the 200-day moving average, and that's going to be anywhere from this the 40, right around that 4,800 down to the 750. And I don't expect that to happen right away. It's going to take some time. We're going to get these big moves up and down, but when the low is in, I would not be surprised to see us trading somewhere down here. But we're just starting to make the momentum starting to turn up. But we had sell signals on the daily charts that have gone back for a really, really long time. So if just the fact that we're oversold right now, could lead to a bounce. But again, I still think that bounce maybe will start to bring this momentum up a little bit if we just hang out here. And then when we come down, that will kind of give us the buy signals on the daily charts. But the right now, if the Bulls continue to try to rush it higher, the next stop we want to see is right around that 51.13 level. And if they come down, as I said, the support level that I'd be anticipating buyers to be waiting is going to be right at that 50.37 level. So whatever really they want to throw at us, we'll just run with it. It's the time period that we are looking for, that for the top to be in, and we made it a little bit early, but what that means now is that we're probably going to be looking at momentum really starting to pick up on the downside. And, as I said, I still believe we're going to be heading down somewhere into that 4,800, 4,750 before everything is said and done. And then from there, we'll probably have a rally into the elections. And then, who knows what goes from there. But anyway, with the our credit spread trades, let me just show you a couple things. You can see the actual trades that we had on today. The one that was, that everybody was in right here, this was right at where we did the Condor with the 50-90, 50-100, 50-25, 50-15. We never even came close to that. So it was a fairly easy $2,000 trade that we made. I know this is showing a little bit more because I made a couple other ones, but in my other account, I wanted to show you because we actually had a really good day on this one. But the thing is that what you're going to see is the profit loss for the day was 2,800, and the reason why that is, where it's showing the open trades are 4,300, and then the day was 28, because we had this trade on right here, the 25-15, 25 50 25 20 50 15, and then we had the 90 and the 100. So that was on there, but the thing is that I actually put this trade in on purpose to try to get it stopped out, because as I said, I have the formula that I've really been trying for a while, where when I was putting the stops on the price and not actually on the credit spreads, it works very well when there's when the market's just kind of going very slow. But the thing is, when we have high velocity like we have, you get stopped out a lot, and they're very hard to do. And the thing is that when they move in a direction, so let's say you had your Condor trade on, and it moves up into the call really, really fast, these get the prices get skewed on them, because the call the price of the call is going up a lot faster than the price of the put going down. And now I figured out the formula where, I put this in to get stopped out. You can see it got stopped out, filled at 30.90. And so that was a loss. But if you notice this right here, this actually made up. So it was a break-even trade, and that's really what I've been looking for. And it's the way that we're really going to be trading this market is, just letting the market do what it's going to do, but then, be able to put these trades on, because the thing is, if we get stopped out, it's going to be a break-even trade, and it doesn't make a difference of the velocity of the market. If it's going, really fast, you're still going to be break-even. It's not going to be like the way that I was putting the stops on, where they were working fantastic when the market was going slow, but now the volatility's up there, they weren't working, and I put this in, and this thing worked out exactly as planned. So whatever it does tomorrow, we want to we want to pick our direction on it, put on that trade, put the stop in place that we're not really going to have to worry about it. And if we get stopped out, we just put on another one, and it's we're either going to make $2,000 or break even on these, and it's not a whole lot of buying power that takes effect on this. So it's been working out great. If you guys are interested, send me an email, because we're really going to start pushing this thing now that everything is in place. But like I said, tomorrow, if the bulls open up, anticipate a move up somewhere into the 51.09. If the bears come in and try to push it lower, look for support to come in right around that 50.35. And with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.